Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use the PARKTRONIC system inside your Mercedes Benz C180 Coupe. The PARKTRONIC is activated automatically when you switch on the ignition, shift to position DR or N on vehicles with automatic transmission, or you release the parking brake. PARKTRONIC is deactivated at speeds above 18 kilometers per hour. It is reactivated at lower speeds. The warning displays show the distance between the sensor and the obstacle. The warning display for the front area is located on the dashboard above the center air vents. And as you can see, there it is. We are driving until the PARKTRONIC will be red. That is enough. Only approx 10 centimeters space is left, or 20 centimeters. That's enough. Do not move forward again. As you can see, we are nearly dipping the obstacle. The front sensor has an area of approx 100 centimeters in the center and approx 60 centimeters at the corners, because there are many of sensors in the front. As you can see, we are going back, reverse, and the LED lights are going away. This makes your front parking process really easy and safer, as you can see. And now let's go to the rear system. It is a little bit different, but in the main it is the same. Let's have a look. The warning display for the rear area is located on the roof lining in the rear compartment. There it is, as you can see. And if you're shifting the reverse gear, it is ready to use, but you have to look to the rear compartment, like in a mirror, as you can see. And now let's go to the obstacle in the rear, and as you can see, the LED in yellow are rising up until it's yellow. Not yellow, it's done orange or red. Oh, there it is. Now, do not move anymore. That's enough. And the minimum distance is approx 20 centimeters at the center, and at the corners are approx 15 centimeters. So this is enough for the rear. Now, let's shift to the drive selection, or shift to gear 1, and job's done. That it is. Easy PARKTRONIC using. The PARKTRONIC system is really nice, and it works with ultrasonic sensors. And there are a lot of ultrasonic sensors. Oh yeah, good job. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.